Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are just starting off in the kitchen, emptying out the coffee machine and then emptying the bins. I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you all so much for the love on my recent videos. They've got more views than usual, which is really nice, and I've also gained a few subscribers, so thank you all so much to everyone that is new and everybody that continues to subscribe. For those who don't know, I hate saying stuff like this, it makes me cringe, but my name is Melissa. I have a pet home. I have a German Shepherd and 2 cats, which keep me busy and definitely keep me cleaning all the time. I do work full time. I'm a civil servant. I started cleaning in lockdown for something to do, and since then I've just carried on filming myself clean. few things I wanted to get done today that kind of been in the back of my mind. There was just like splats of mud everywhere from when Cooper like goes out. I also have a dog walker that comes and picks him up when I go in the office, and he has like the best time, but he gets so muddy, so the bathroom was just covered in mud. So I do have a downstairs shower that I always try to shower him off. So we're just scrubbing the skirting boards in here today and then scrubbing the doors down. Moving on to the living room, this is just a usual. I don't have much in the living room, there's not actually a lot going on. I could do with some stuff on the walls. We're just going to give it a wipe down with just the Flora, and then we go on to Hoover and a quick mop. I'm just going to pop my Instagram up on the screen, so if you wouldn't mind giving me a follow there, I would really appreciate it. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.